You drive down a narrow, winding lane, the asphalt eventually giving way to packed gravel. On either side, wind-sculpted bushes cling stubbornly to the sandy soil, their leaves shimmering in the late afternoon light. The air subtly shifts, no longer carrying the scent of damp earth and pine, but something sharper, wilder, endlessly inviting, the unmistakable tang of salt. It grows stronger with every turn, a promise whispered on the breeze. Then, through a gap in the hardy coastal flora, you glimpse it, a vast, shimmering expanse of deep blue, stretching endlessly to meet a pale, fading sky. The ocean. Its presence is immediate, overwhelming, and utterly serene. The lane opens up, and nestled just beyond a gentle dune, the cottage appears. It stands alone, a beacon of peace against the dramatic backdrop of the sea. Its weathered timber walls are a soft gray, faded by years of sun and spray, and a small, inviting porch wraps around the front, adorned with a few sturdy, wind-battered potted plants. The windows, large and gleaming, seem to drink in the last of the day's light, reflecting the sky and the distant horizon. A narrow path of smooth, flat stones leads from where you park your car directly to the sturdy wooden door. The sound of the waves, once a distant murmur, now fills the air with a rhythmic, powerful cadence, the steady, ancient breath of the sea. Seagulls cry overhead, their calls carried on the brisk, cool air. You step onto the porch, the worn wood solid beneath your feet. The door, painted a welcoming shade of muted blue, opens with a gentle creak. A blast of warmth envelopes you, chasing away the chill of the coastal breeze. The scent inside is a comforting blend of old wood, the faintest hint of dried lavender, and the invigorating essence of the sea itself, a blend that is utterly cozy. The subtle aroma of salty air still lingers, intertwined with the freshness of a well-aired space. The sounds of the ocean, though still audible, are softened, muffled by the sturdy walls, creating a private, sheltered world within. You close the door behind you, and the outside world seems to recede, leaving only the profound calm of the space. You stand for a moment in the small entryway, allowing your senses to adjust. Your eyes take in the details: a coir mat, a small wooden bench, hooks holding waterproof coats. The floor is wide-planked pine, polished smooth by time and care. You shed your shoes, feeling the cool, smooth wood beneath your socks, a small pleasure that signals the transition from journey to rest. A feeling of immediate release washes over you, as if the cottage itself is exhaling a sigh of contentment, and you are invited to share in it. You walk further into the main living area, drawn by the light from large glass doors that face the ocean and lead directly onto the porch. The room is designed for comfort, for quiet contemplation. A large, inviting sofa, upholstered in a soft, muted linen, faces these expansive doors, offering an uninterrupted view of the rolling waves. An array of plump cushions and soft throws are casually draped over its arms and back, beckoning you to sink in. A sturdy wooden coffee table, scarred by years of use, holds a stack of well-worn books and a heavy ceramic mug. Beyond the doors, the sea stretches out, an ever-changing masterpiece. The late afternoon sun casts a golden sheen across the water, illuminating the whitecaps that race towards the shore. You move towards the kitchen area, a small, efficient space with open shelves displaying simple, rustic pottery. A pitcher of ice water, condensation beating on its surface, is on the counter. You fill a tall glass, adding a few slices of lemon and a sprig of fresh mint. The coolness of the glass against your hands is a refreshing touch, a small, tangible comfort. With your refreshing glass in hand, you unlatch the glass doors and step out onto the porch. The cool, invigorating sea breeze greets you, carrying the full, rich scent of the ocean salt, seaweed, and the deep, clean expanse of the water. It ruffles your hair gently, a soft caress on your skin. You settle into a comfortable, weathered Adirondack chair, a thick, plush cushion inviting you to sink in. The chair is perfectly positioned to offer sweeping views of the coastline and the boundless sea. You pull the knitted throw, which you brought from inside, over your legs, a heavy, comforting wool that instantly dispels any lingering chill. The fabric is soft against your skin, yielding to your weight, wrapping you in a cocoon of warmth. The chair creaks softly as you shift, a gentle, reassuring sound, harmonizing with the natural orchestra of the shore. From here, the ocean view is unobstructed, vast, and breathtaking. You feel a profound sense of connection to the natural world, a gentle intimacy with the wild elements. You gaze out at the horizon from the porch. The sky is beginning to deepen, hues of orange and soft pink blending into the pale blue. High above, immense, silent clouds drift slowly across the vast expanse of sky, catching the last whispers of daylight and turning soft shades of rose and lavender before fading into deeper tones. You watch their forms subtly shift, their edges blurring and reforming with slow, majestic grace. The ocean, once bright and sparkling, now takes on a deeper, more mysterious tone, its vastness emphasized by the encroaching twilight. The waves continue their relentless rhythm, crashing against the shore with a powerful roar, then receding with a sighing hiss of foam and pebbles. You watch a solitary fishing boat, a tiny speck on the horizon, slowly making its way home. Its lights twinkle faintly as the last of the daylight fades, a lonely star on the darkening water. The cool, clean air on the porch is sharp with the tang of salt, and the dampness of the ocean, a constant, refreshing presence. You close your eyes for a moment, letting the sounds wash over you. The steady roar of the waves, closer and more vibrant now. The crisp whisper of the sea breeze, and the occasional cry of a gull carried on the wind. Each sound contributes to a symphony of peace, a lullaby woven from the elements. You feel the ebb and flow of the tide within you, a deep, resonant calm. You open your eyes again, feeling a profound sense of ease settling over you. The warmth from the blanket radiates through your body, a deep, pervasive comfort. You take a slow sip of your ice water, the coolness of the liquid spreading down your throat, crisp and revitalizing. The bright zest of the lemon and the subtle coolness of the mint lingers on your tongue, a small, delightful sensation. As dusk deepens, the world before you on the ocean becomes a canvas of shifting blues and grays. The white caps of the waves glow faintly against the darkening water, like fleeting spirits, mirroring the slow, majestic dance of the clouds. The light plays tricks on the surface of the water, creating fleeting illusions of silvery scales and shimmering currents. The sound of the ocean seems to grow louder, more encompassing, as other sounds of the day diminish. It's a primal sound, one that connects you to something ancient and enduring, a rhythm that has echoed through time. You lean back into the chair, allowing your body to sink deeper into its plush comfort. Every muscle in your body seems to sigh in relief, releasing the tension accumulated throughout the day. Your shoulders drop, your jaw relaxes, and the small lines of worry on your forehead smooth out. You simply exist in this moment, held by the comfort of the porch and the omnipresent embrace of the sea. The gentle sway of the chair, almost imperceptible, adds to the feeling of being cradled by the elements. Thoughts drift in and out of your mind, unbidden, unhurried. You recall moments of joy, fragments of memories, like seashells collected on a beach. There's no need to hold onto them, no need to analyze them. You simply let them pass, like the waves themselves, arriving and receding, leaving behind only a feeling of gentle contentment. You find your mind becoming clearer, unburdened by the usual noise of daily life. As the last light of day retreats from the horizon, the scene before you on the ocean takes on a luminous quality. The immense vault of the sky darkens to an inky blue, and the first stars begin to prick through like tiny diamonds. The air cools gently, and you pull the blanket tighter around you, feeling perfectly enclosed in warmth. The soft glow from the cottage's interior now casts a comforting light onto the porch, creating a sheltered pocket of warmth and stillness within the vastness of the twilight sea. You feel an almost physical connection to this place, as if its peace is flowing directly into you, merging your essence with the tranquility of the coast. You close your eyes again, fully immersed in the sensory experience. The feel of the soft wool blanket against your skin, the cool kiss of the sea breeze on your face, the pervasive scent of the sea, and the constant, hypnotic rhythm of the waves. The air tastes clean and fresh on your tongue. You are completely safe, completely secure, nestled in this haven between land and sea, a tiny island of peace in the grand expanse. A deep sense of gratitude fills you, gratitude for the quiet, for the beauty, for this precious time of stillness. The world outside, with all its demands and complexities, feels miles away, unreachable in this bubble of tranquility. Here on the Seaside Cottage porch, there is only the present moment, filled with comfort and profound peace. You are exactly where you are meant to be. You feel your breath deepen, slowing to a gentle, steady rhythm, matching the rise and fall of the ocean itself. Your muscles relax even further, becoming heavy and pliant, as if sinking into the depths of pure comfort. The distinction between yourself and the soft cushions, the warm blanket, the very air of the porch begins to blur. You are simply a part of this peaceful scene, drifting on the gentle currents of relaxation. The twilight deepens, painting the sky with the last lingering brushstrokes of day before transitioning to the deep velvet of night. The sounds of the waves continue their endless song, a timeless lullaby, drawing you deeper into a tranquil state. You are sinking gently into a state of deep, restorative rest. Your mind is clear, your body is at ease, and your spirit is profoundly calm. The stars begin to appear, scattered across the vast canvas of the night sky, silent witnesses to your profound peace. You are floating, effortlessly, on the edge of sleep, the gentle sway of the ocean outside mimicking the quiet drifting of your consciousness. The salt air, the soft light from the cottage, the enduring sound of the waves, and the silent parade of the clouds, these are the threads that weave your blanket of peace, holding you securely until morning. You take one final deep breath, carrying the serenity of this seaside cottage porch with you. And when you're ready, you gently bring your awareness back to the present moment, feeling profoundly refreshed, deeply relaxed, and utterly at peace.